Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I have another Stitch Fix right here. What I'm going to do is just take it out of the box. I do believe this is 95 for my Stitch Fix. Some of the stuff is falling out of the paper. So, the shipping of. Let's get rid of the box. Can't wait to get rid of stuff recycle. Good Chop, they sent a card. I don't use that stuff. You get a USPS return mailer for anything that you don't love that you would like to send back. And here you have your invoice. Please still have Sarah Beth. I still have Sarah Beth. So I'm just going to put this up here. And there's 3 items here. And then 2 items fell out. So let's just take everything out and see what we have here. I think there was only 1 or 2 things that I said I was interested in her sending this time. I know one of them was this. And this is by, who are you by? Cute. I'm like into cardigans. I'm wearing one, but this is an older one. This is from Love Ellie Marlowe full button cardigan, red medium, because it's red, but it's more of like an orangey red, and I loved the texture. Right here, V-neck, cardigan, straight back, you know, button down. I thought this was really cute. Like I said, I've been loving cardigans. And I think the other thing might have been this black top. And this is from Skechers. It's a Gaudry Swift Tee, black size medium. This reminds me of like performance, active performance wear. Just your solid, you know, straight down, a little bit of a curved, you know, rounded bottom tee. I wear these now. I would prefer a V-neck, but I don't mind the rounded collar. I wear them all summer long with shorts. I wear them in the winter. I mean, I have short sleeves on today, but I just have a cardigan on. You know, it's chilly. So, let's see what this is. Where's the top part? No, here we go. Yeah, come on. And this is Skechers also, diamond brushed hoodie, navy medium. This is not navy right here. This is more of a lighter blue, teal blue. Here's the hoodie. The sleeves, there's no thumb hole. Sometimes I love a good thumb hole. So, you know, long sleeve, has lots and lots of stretch. Let me see what the front looks like. And it does have a banded bottom, which I'm not always a fan of, but it seems like there's a lot of stretch to it. I mean, not a bad color. I don't know if I love that color. I am a true, like, I either want teal or I want navy. And a lot of times not in between. So that's not bad, but that's not navy. Now, this is navy. This is Flag and Anthem. Adina button-down shirt, blue, medium. So this is technically, here, let me snap that. And these are snaps on this. This is true navy. So this is one of your, like, flannelish type tops right here. And these are snaps with the white covers. You know, true button-down shirt, tail hem. Not bad. I had said I didn't want any more like that. I'm not going to keep them. But that one's kind of cute. I like that. And what are we? From We Wonder. And these are a medium. Where's the tag? On the outside. And these are We Flex Modern Jogger, blue, medium. I don't know if I love that waistband because that's a loose elastic. Cute. Oh, these are joggers. Did they say joggers on them? And then I missed that modern jogger. They have pockets, straight down pockets. No pockets on the back. I'm trying here, people. Jogger bottom, you know, jogger hem. These are, let me see. Not bad for a navy. It's almost like there's blue and black in there. So it's almost like a heathered. I don't know if I love these. Oh, the front pockets I do not like now that I see them. Plus they have the sewn in seam down the front. I don't always love that. And I don't love these pockets. I did not see that. I don't like when they're sewn like that. For leggings, for joggers. But I'll try them on. You never know. So, I don't right off the bat, not a fan of them. Not a fan of, like, this is okay. This is okay. This I like. And obviously the cardigan I love. So, let me set everything back up and we'll be back in just a bit with the try on. All right, I have the cardigan on, Love Ellie. Red medium, $49, not bad. I love this. This is, you know, the sleeves are a little bit long and a little bit more baggy, as you can tell, but I love that. I just find that to be cozy. It's a perfect length for me. I mean, I have leggings on today. I would wear it with leggings with, like, even like that black t-shirt, anything. You know, still plenty of room when if I want to button it. But, you know, no pockets or anything like that because it is like a shorter cardigan. So here's that. I love this. I'm telling you, and I don't have this color cardigan. And, you know, sleeves, you know, like I am shorter arms, I could always cuff. I probably wouldn't because, you know, sometimes, you know, I like to, if I'm driving and the steering wheel's cold, it's winter, I'll bring the shirt or sweater down so that I can drive until the steering wheel, you know, car warms up, steering wheel warms up. But I do love this. So next, I think I'm going to try on the black tee and see what I think of this. And we'll be right back. So I have the Skechers shirt on, black medium, $32. This is a keeper. Sleeves are perfect. Sometimes things are snug. I don't mind the neckline. It's like right at collarbone. It's a nice, longer, you know, rounded hemline, so it comes up. So it's slightly longer in the front and in the back. Right here. I love this. The fit is perfect. How I like stuff like this to fit because it, you know, does give, and, you know, a good black shirt for the upcoming warmer weather. I can still wear this now, throw on a cardigan, throw on a fleece jacket, a hood, you know, a zip up, and be perfectly comfortable. So I guess I want to finish putting things over my head here and destroying my hair. So let's see what I think about the hoodie. So this is the Skechers hoodie in navy medium, $34. I'm not a fan of this. The hood is just massive. I just don't like it. I didn't like it coming out of the box. It's, I mean, it's fine fit-wise. I just, for some reason, I don't like it. So, there's that. So, if I don't like it, I don't like it. And I didn't like it out of the box, so I just, no, I think it's the color, too. So, let's give this a try, and hopefully I like this one better. So, this is the Flagon Anthem button-down shirt, blue, medium, $40.97. I don't mind the pattern and the print. It's nice and lightweight. It's warm. I like it. Could I wear it with leggings? Absolutely, because it's long enough. I will not wear this with jeans. I'm just not going to be bothered tucking stuff in and keeping it looking neat at the waist. This is not for me. I have a few of these. I don't find I pull for them that often and to warrant keeping a $40 item. But otherwise, I mean, if you like this is really nice. And if I would wear this kind of stuff with jeans, like I don't wear them open, like with a t-shirt or a tank underneath. That's just not who I am. So I'm going to say no to this. So far, that Skechers top that I had on before and this one are a no. And then let's see what I think about the We Wander joggers. Okay, so I have the We Wander joggers on, blue, medium, $59. Oh, they're expensive, and glad I don't like them. Here's the pockets. So the pockets, you come in on the side. They're all the way down. it's too much of a pocket for me if you're going to do it. I mean, it's fine, but that's not the kind of pocket I like. And the seam down the center is bugging me already, and I've had them on for a couple of minutes. So it's and they're a little bit long and puddly at the bottom, so I would say no to that. I mean, the fit is fine. You know, these are a little more high-waisted, especially for me. You know, the overall fit is good. They fit good. Just not my thing. Like, I don't like the seams. The pockets I could live with, because I think the black ones that I kept last time have longer pockets. I'm not a fan of that. But if these did not have the seam down the center, I would probably keep them. But I think there's just too much, too much material at the bottom. Like, it's just, they're too long. These might have to be like a petite length, just so that they fit better. I mean, they're really not horrible. I mean, they fit perfectly. They're not overly baggy, which is fine. But these are a no. So let me put my own leggings back on, and we'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I did read my stylist note. I appreciate Sarah Beth greatly. Let me give you some numbers for this box. The subtotal is $214.97. Buy all 5, save 25%. I would say $53.74. I have a $20 style credit, so that would make my box total $141.23. I'm not keeping everything. I can tell you that right off the bat. I didn't love 3 of the pieces, so I am only keeping the cardigan because it's a color that I don't have, and I will wear these this year. I'm losing my hair. There's hair everywhere. Don't want to leave it on there. I will wear it now. I will wear it spring, fall, and next year. I want to put that over there. And the black. The black tee is perfect. I'll wear this all year round also. So they're staying. The teal blue hoodie, I think it's the material that I don't love. So that's going back. The blue button down, and then the blue leggings. The leggings are joggers. I would keep them, but I had kept them on a few more minutes. That seam, constantly, that's all I feel. If the seam wasn't there, it would be a lot better. I wanted to share with you that I did, this is from last box, and I did exchange this for the next size up, even though I really didn't have to. But because it's a thicker material, I figured let me switch this up to the next size, and way happier with it. So I have to return the original one because I still have that, but I was waiting for this fix. I knew this was on its way. And then I kept the, I exchanged up for size that green quilted like sweatshirt, and that's way better. It just feels a lot more comfortable. A little bit more room sometimes is always a good thing. I mean, I don't want it massive, but it just, you know, needed that little bit more. So I did exchange those two, and I kept, were they the only things that I kept from that box? No, I kept everything, and I exchanged the 2 that I was questioning size. I figured just go up a size. It's, you know, they were petite sizes, so it was easy to go up to the next size without it being massive. So here, I'm going to keep 2, send back 3. That's what I think. If I'm making a mistake with these, let me know, but, you know, I don't think so. I'm not comfortable in any of those 3 items. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you all next week for more videos. Bye for now.